Now, one of the most important logistical aspects of a global event like the Olympic Games is accommodation. This evening, our reporter in Tokyo, Spencer Darlington, looks at the accommodation assigned to Jamaica's delegation.
The Harumi Waterfront District in Tokyo is where the Olympic Village has been constructed. It's a sprawling complex that will host the over 11,000 athletes from 206 countries for the duration of the Games. Given Jamaica's fame for sunshine, the country's 89-member delegation is being appropriately housed, one could say, on floor number 7 of what is known as the sun block of Building 19. Clearly, the authorities did some homework on Jamaica's culture, and as you can see, have appropriately decorated the floor starting from the very entrance and going through the entire space, with the setting reflecting several aspects of the island's culture, including tourism, music, agriculture, and the arts. These residential units used by the athletes during the Tokyo 2020 Games will be renovated for use as general residential apartments following the conclusion of the Olympics. Reporting from the Games of the 32nd Olympiad here in Tokyo, Japan, I'm Spencer Darlington for TVJ Sports. Sayonara.
Primetime Sports.